Know how I got this glowy, snatched makeup look? Keep watching. It's makeup time, bitches. You're not a bitch, I'm sorry. I'm in a really good mood today. I don't know why, so I know this glam's gonna hit. Don't really know what I'm doing with my makeup today. All I know is I want to be like simple baddie vibe. It's a grande brow freeze thing. I've never used this before, but it's laying down very easily. I've so many recreations that I just want to like be myself today. We carving out these brows. I'm being full snatch. I want to see if my eyebrows are even. I look down like this and see like where it goes down and fix that shit. I'm going for more of like a cool tone kind of eye because I feel like that flatters my eye color a lot. It's on the outer edge and into my crease. For every look like this pretty much. Already almost at 300K. I don't know how this is happening so fast, but I am like so grateful. Almost every day I wake up and think about what video I'm gonna film, and I'm just like so excited for my future and where we're gonna go. And taking the darker brown shade and putting this on the outer edge and just keeping it like smoked out here, kind of tapping out a cut crease shape, but it doesn't have to be perfect because I'm gonna blend it out anyways. I just want some brightness and like tackiness back there. I'm gonna like brush over it with the clean brush to kind of soften the edge. The bronzy shimmer shade and just tap that over. Makeup by Mario Moonlight palette, by the way. Shimmers are like unreal. They're so glittery and good. Did I not start this saying I wanted to do something simple? I literally don't have it in me. I love full glam. I cannot help it. Using the black shadow and doing a wing and lining my whole eye. Oh, well, hello there. Coming to fuck up my liner, huh? In dark brown, I'm just gonna go over top of it to kind of soften it out. I love smoky wings. It's just kind of like my thing. Clean her up to see the real reveal. I killed that today. Can't find my Kosas Nano Brow and it's gonna send me into an orb. Fill in the bottom. I don't like to fill in the top. I just don't like the look of that anymore. I'm a little worried about using a gold shimmer with the cool tone eye, but I feel like it looks really good. Oh my god, I just got tagged in an Instagram post. I need to go look. I'm scared. It was a sleigh, thank god. The Charlotte Tilbury Exaggerize Stan. I love this mascara. Wand makes it really easy to get in these inner lashes, which I love. I feel like those are the most important ones. I really need to grow my Instagram and start posting like my reels and makeup personality on there, but they're two different demographics. Like, I don't know why I'm like embarrassed to start. This is like starting TikTok all over again. People on Reels are fucking ruthless though. That's like half the reason I'm scared to. You're gonna hate on my ass, I already know. My natural lashes are slaying today and I'm not gonna add any falsies. I think I'm gonna add a little bit brighter of a shimmer just in this inner corner part. I want my eyes to really pop. Ooh, yeah. e.l.f. take away the pink Power Grip Jelly Pop again. My favorite primers, and I swear to god if they did, I'm gonna lose it. Say Rose Glow. I don't know if I'm gonna use foundation today because my skin's doing really good. Kosas Pink Color Corrector. I really love this. I'd be a color corrector girl until I started using it so much, and I feel like I use less concealer after. I'm just gonna add a dollop of e.l.f. Halo Glow. Doesn't have a lot of coverage, which is why I'm using it. Something that's gonna even out my skin a little bit. I feel like this is the perfect amount I'm looking for. My crack of the month is Rare Beauty Soulless Liquid Contour. It's like 2 seconds to blend out, and I feel like this is such a good in-between a bronzer and contour shade. I don't think I could live without my Patrick Ta nose contour brush. It just does it for me in 2 seconds. Adding some concealer in this area. I do like coverage under my jawline. I don't know why. My little pimple up here. Just using my concealer where I really need the coverage instead of covering up all this like perfectly fine skin. Having House Labs Glassy Ginger. Also like their brush too. It's so cute and natural. I love her. Face to look lifted, so I'm trying to keep it all like on the outer perimeters of my face. I like to put this shit everywhere. You blush up here too, so why not add it to mimic a natural look? One of the best McDonald's Dr. Peppers I've ever had in my life. Fuel. Snatching out your wing is like the most satisfying thing ever. I like to reverse contour with concealer. I feel like that's more effective than like actually the brown line. I still do that as like a first step, but this really takes it there. Go back in and kind of tap over those lines with like nothing really on the brush. Use my Kosas powder to set today. I like the sets, but doesn't take away the glow completely. My Gucci bronzer today because I feel bougie. It really is a bomb formula though. I love this. House Labs French Rose Rosetta blush. Morphe's new brush collection is bomb, by the way. I don't even have all of them, but I might just cave and buy the big roll because they're all so good. Found my Kosas Nano Brow. This is the one I'm looking for. Oh my god. Blending the first shade on my lower lash line. I'm gonna try to keep this area pretty open because I'm gonna highlight the shit out of it. I don't know if I should do a black waterline or a white to make my eyes big. Well, there is no turning back now. I like the Inglot Black Pot Liner because it's the easiest to just paint on and doesn't make your eyes water like crazy. Oh! The Kosas Lip Liner in 100 first. I like my base color. I take Endless Cacao and I add more definition in there. The shade literally contours your lip. Go back in and kind of blend the two shades together. This House Labs crayon right in the center. I in like the gray, the pink, all on like the lip too. Set my face with the glowy setting spray. Turn into a Handmaid's Tale character real quick because I don't want my blowout to get messed up. Auto mascara and we're calling it a look. And we got another bad bitchification. Said this was gonna be simple. It kinda wasn't. That's what happens when you follow one of my tutorials. Here's a look for you glowy bad bitches out there. Anyways, love ya.